Hey, I'm going to show you a simple way to enhance a movement. So if I'm playing in the key of C and I want to go to the 4, so we would be going from C to F. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add one note, a sharp 3, which is the same thing as the 4, and come just hit it and then resolve it and play that 4, then go back to the 1. So without it, this is how it sounds. Okay, that's without adding anything to it. So now, if I add that 4 note, which is what? It's the B flat. So we'll go. See how it changed? So all I'm doing on that triad, I'm taking my pinky and playing that B flat. See, that's a B flat, and then resolving it to the 3. So sharp. This is the 3. Sharp 3 is the 4. 1, 3, 5, right? And then back to the 1. Just that little bit. Just that little bit of seasoning will change the way you hear the 1 to the 4. And you can do it in any key. If I'm in D, same thing. Sound with the A. Every little bit helps. Thank you for viewing. We'll see you in the next one.